Hello, hello, beautiful people. It's super hot outside, so I have to be shirtless here. But let's get on with the accountability. I've been hitting some stagnation, I would say, over the past 5 months, and the biggest reason is probably just I don't have books that would sell crazy during the summer, so that's a bottleneck. And I've been focusing on. I mean, I did publish around 20 books this year, and overall it's been okay, and I would say most of the launches have been successful where they are turning a profit now. And yeah, I'll show you now what we have seen. So the last month I actually saw $5,000 profit. Again, it's stagnation because I've been around $3,000 on average for the last year, even though I've produced and published 20 more books. All right, so I've invested, imagine, $2,000-3,000 per book. So it's not great, right? It's not horrible. I'm making some profit, but it's not great. And I'm spending, as you can see, $16,000 to $17,000 on ads. Things need to improve. That we know. All right, so there's that. Now, on the other hand, let's go through what I've done, what I can learn from this week, and yeah, what have I achieved? So, one thing I was not happy with is the reporting in my ads management. So, I basically decided to take this upon myself, even though I have a thousand other things that I need to do. Or let's say there's one thing that I want to do, and my TikTok account was banned, by the way, um, for unoriginal content, which was, well, no, I don't know why it was banned actually. I didn't receive an email, I don't know. But I'm guessing it's because it was an account that was created through someone else, and they probably sold accounts, and TikTok just like batch deleted everything, right? Anyways, I have a solution for that. I have a legit account that I'm using, so that should be okay. So it was not the TikTok shop, but the TikTok account which I was posting from, right? Now, there's that. I basically put, I don't know, 1 or 2 days on finishing a lot of videos for TikTok, and then those ones are getting flagged now, so I couldn't upload them. Then we're starting a new test with a friend for Amazon ads to see how things go. I'm also finishing up the few books that are in production. Yeah, there's that. Doing some ads management on my own and trying to understand how to connect the MCPs and different things. So that's gonna be good after this. Also applied to get some Amazon ads credits, but they haven't replied yet. So I mean, I've been spending on average more than $20,000 over the past 3 months. Hopefully they'll give a 10K credit for simpler payments, but also it's gonna help out a little bit later on with the cash flow. And what else do we have? Yeah, I had to travel back and forth to sell my Polish car. It was a nice car, man. That was my first car. I had to sell it, so I did that. Took basically one day, but I did some work on the way. That's good. I've also seen that I need to talk less because I'm releasing too much dopamine that way. Dopamine. So I need to only talk about plans when getting feedback on how to run the 5-step Elon system, like what requirements to delete and what's important, what basically trying to get feedback on my plan, right? That usually comes from someone who could give feedback on that. And yeah, I'm also pushing on with the music. I have a music idea which I wanna create. However, I just feel like it needs more time. I need a producer or learn production myself. So there's that. And yeah. Also, one thing I realize now is I understood this, but they say lead by example. It's such an important thing because people just inherently have confidence sensors, right? So when I'm leading with example in music, in KDP, etc., people are motivated, they are inspired. So it seems the world we live in is starved of hope, and I get that. So the only thing I can do is, you know, show people that I'm continuing whether people join or not, and that makes people happy to join, right? So don't take the foot off the gas pedal. So yeah, with music I'm gonna communicate a lot of ideas, so it's gonna be nice. But yeah, but I'm still like honing the skill, the business skill to filter my thoughts. I'm struggling a lot, man. Like I'm trying to see how does he see like if the customers love the product, if there's unlimited demand, they that they can't do it, it's scalable. Like how does he come up with those criteria? How does he like do those things, right? This is like annoying me. So yeah, I don't know. I was also on a yeah, I was on some dates. I'm trying to understand better how the interplay between my attention and my emotions is, and what reactions I see from my partner, let's say. And it's interesting, but I'm learning a lot. I see that non-neediness is a deep thing that I have to feel. Being calm, non-needy, but also yeah, pulling back when there's no action from the other side, right? But anyways, I like my life. I think at the moment I'm going forward very well. I enjoy where I am. I enjoy what I'm doing. So everything is good. And yeah, I've also claimed my music profiles, done a few things like that. And yet the biggest things for next week is going to be pushing on the TikTok and ads system that I'm developing. So get these things ready and moving, and let's see how things roll, right? I'm excited, man. Have a beautiful day, and bye bye. If you have any questions, post in the comments. And yeah, I'd be happy to show you what I'm doing more in detail. Maybe if you want to have a one-on-one call with me, let me know. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye.